Good morning. We got a Miss Tilly. And over here we got a Libby and a biscuit. Everybody needs a Libby and a biscuit. Are you in your biscuit? Yeah, it's pretty cold, isn't it? But you're in the sun. You'll warm up. Are you ready to go walk, Miss Tilly? Well, we got to go find Miss Millie. Miss Millie's missing in action. Again. Alright guys, let me get my glove on. I know the camera's shaking. Alright. We're out at it. I'm starting the first lap. There's Miss Millie. There's Miss Millie. Go get you some breakfast. Where did you go? Oh, your friend's here. There's Miss Millie. She is about as clumsy as they make them. Get you a drink. I'll get you a milk bone when I'm done. Because Tilly ate them. Anyway, here we go. I walked 9 laps Saturday. Not an inch of footage. Went to put it in the computer. Nothing. All I had was the intro. So I couldn't put a video up. Yesterday, I did not walk. I didn't need to. I did that all Saturday. So we're going to walk today. What I did Saturday, we're walking, I don't even have a timer. We're walking just 25 minutes, no laps, no set laps, but I don't have the phone on me, so I'm going to do laps today. And it worked out to 9 laps with the phone, with the steps. All right, there we go. 24 degrees. Sun is up. It is warming up. Supposed to go up in the 50s. In the 50s. I don't feel any wind. That's a good thing. But yet. Yet. Yeah, so Saturday I had my phone watching my steps and I just walked anywhere instead of going a set path. I like that better. Neighbors. Yes, even out here you gotta deal with that. You like that biscuit, don't you? She got mad last night because I didn't put that in her kennel, did I? And you're cold. Won't you get up in there and you'll stay warm? Alright, where the heck are we going? I'm out earlier than I'd usually be because I got stuff to do today. I'm gonna go start working on the dog apartment. That's right, Waldo. Run some electrical, do some insulation, maybe some plumbing. I don't know. Where you going? Millie, you know better than go down there. Them dogs will chase you. Come on. Come with me. Millie, come up here. Very noisy this morning. I got new gloves. So far, so good. Come on, Millie. Don't be running over there. I'm just gonna get through this walk today. Nothing fancy. I got work to do. So we're gonna get the walk done and get through it. It's gonna be a perfect day to work. It's gonna be a perfect week to work. I'm gonna try to get something done every day this week. All right, first lap complete. Let's play some music, man. Save my breath. Here we go.
Roll up my window, don't know where I'm bound. Driving by the river, there's a hole in the ground. Hand-me-down t-shirt sticking on my back. Heading for a fall. Had to get up to crawl. I ain't got no time to stall. On my way to nowhere, I'm not afraid at all. Roll out my window, can stand the fresh air. So far from the city, couldn't even compare. Ragged down highway, too many miles from home. Heading for a fall. Had to get up to crawl. I ain't got no time to stall. On my way to nowhere, I'm not afraid.
toxic running through my veins. Since I was bitten, nothing ever looks the same. It makes me burn, it makes me cold. With your kisses, this food's been bought and sold. Was it all smoke and mirrors? Was any of it real? Not all is gold that glitters, no matter how hard you want it to be. The veil's been lifted from my foolish eyes, the curtain's drawn aside. Smoke and mirror girl, I'm done with your lies. Was it all smoke and mirrors? Was any of it real? Not all is gold that glitters, no matter how hard you want it to be. Was it all smoke and mirrors? Was any of it real? Not all is gold that glitters, no matter how hard you want it to be. The veil's been lifted from my foolish eyes, the curtain's drawn aside. Smoke and mirror girl, I'm done with your lies. Smoke and mirror, I'm done with your lies. Smoke and mirror.
I ain't a man that you've been looking for. Heart's being darker than a devil's soul. I ain't someone you bring to mama's house. Do you believe? Do you believe when I say time is a thief and love is so brief and all you will ever see me do is acting like a man you'll never understand. But baby, don't leave. Baby, don't leave. Save me. Save me. You gotta save me. Save me. Save me. You gotta save me. Save me. Save me. I've got these demons going on inside. Your love is the only way to satisfy. Show me the road where I see the light. Do you believe? Do you believe when I say no medication, no meditation will ever work like you do? Save me.
All right. 5 laps. There it is. Woo. All right, guys. We will see you tomorrow, bright and early, mid-afternoon. I don't know. Appreciate you watching. Hope you're following along. Happy trails. Say happy tails. Happy tails, Tilly. And Miss Tilly.